But by and large, I want to put it on notice that since my arrival here, we have started prosecution to the letter. Now, some of them are cooling off their feet at different correction centers, which hitherto was not the case before my arrival. And I want to say, without mincing words, that smugglers are afraid of going to jail. That is the more reason why you see now most of the seizures we get now, most of it are abandoned. Why? Because they don't want to be caught doing it. They know the moment they are arrested, they are going to jail. Right now, we have many of their cases in court that we are facing now. And those ones that has been concluded, we won the matter. The case was won by Nigeria. So now, if we are winning the war against smuggling, then I think Nigeria is good for it. We may not have won totally, but step by step, we'll get there. We have to re-strategize. The strategy we employed in 2022 and 2023 will be a different strategy from what we are going to adopt now. We are going to go back onto the drawing board to chart the course, remove encumbrances, remove some teething issues that could inhibit our success in 2024, and to make sure that whoever is arrested, we follow due process to have them prosecuted. We are law enforcers, and we are supposed to ensure that whoever is caught on the other side of the law is dealt with professionally and judiciously. Most of them, anyone that is found to have contravened it, the Nigeria Customs Service Act 2023 has taken care of how to deal with such officers. If you will get to understand what I said initially, part of the tactics is you don't allow an officer to stay too long. Postings comes randomly now. So if you think you are here and you think you are not being monitored, all our officers are being monitored even right from headquarters. Because we monitor them, they have to monitor us too. So there are situations where the CGC himself will send an intelligence to me. I am here. I may not know all, but he has his own way of getting information. And immediately when he gets it, he will act on it.
Thank you very much.
Any custom officer performing his responsibility, he is legally empowered constitutionally to carry out that duty. And for anybody to think he can sit right inside his house and plan how to hack or cause mayhem to these officers, it will not be taken in 2024. Yes, they once had their time, but now it is our own turn. And I make bold to say it, that whoever does that, any attack on any of my personnel will be met with force for force. I made it abundantly clear for those crying foul when there was nothing, that we killed some people. I said, okay, I can show you the pictures of my officers that were killed, my officers that were maimed, my officers that were fired at with evidence of bullets on their vehicle. But show me the corpse or the burial ground of the person you claim we killed. Nobody brought up anything to me. So which means it's an indication to just create fear, apprehension. and to further give the public false information about the service. Yes, we cannot kill people that are our immediate communities. We value life. The service value life. But equally, we cannot toy with a single dose, not even life, any wound on any of our officers, because they are working for the nation. They are not working for their family. So whoever is working for the nation, any attack on any officer is an attack on the nation. And we are not going to take it in a very light manner. Like I said, it's an eyeball to an eyeball. You choke me, tooth for tooth. You choke me, I choke you twice. You choke me once, I choke you twice. So by the time when I'm nursing my wound, you will be nursing your wound in two ways. It will not just be a win situation for anybody again. Items. You don't, you see, a situation where Nigeria will be turned to a dumping ground, we should stop it. That's the more reason why I told you, media, you are to partner with us as sisters. In as much as you report our activities, report well, and equally send note of warning to Nigeria about some of the health implications that follow the usage of all these items. It is criminal, it is improper for someone to think of bringing all this into the country for gain, financial gain, at the expense of others.